Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol TNXP. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways. Very nice movement today, not only from the price action perspective, but you look down here at the volume and well above average volume on the day. So a lot of eyeballs on this one. So a lot of people wondering, talking. If you're on social media, I'm sure you've seen it pop up a little bit. But regardless, let's talk about some areas of support and resistance. First level of support is what I would call the ideal level. When you say, hey, Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? And that would be if the price can stay up above $2.70. Now, don't get me wrong. If the price falls below $2.70, I'm not saying the entire chart is destroyed or ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price could manage to stay up above that mark, that would definitely be a huge sign of power going forward. Taking a step back and looking at all this from more so the big picture point of view, that is where the purple line here comes into play, the famous 50-period simple moving average. Keyword being moving. As time goes by, that line is going to move itself higher and higher. So a very basic yet highly effective way to judge the health of the move. That right there being defined as the move. Just watch that purple line. As long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. However you can best visualize that, that is what is being represented. Again, yeah, staying above 270 would be great, but from the big picture of it all, as long as the price is above that purple line, the bulls 100% own the chart. What about areas of resistance? In terms of where the sellers are at, in the near term seems to be a little area that has shown up there at 290. It's not exact, but I think just kind of splitting the difference and finding a common middle ground seems to be the majority of that, price congestion areas right there at $2.90. If the price can push up through there, the next key overall level up there at $3.15. But definitely no reason to be talking about doing battle with $3.15 until the price can first prove itself in the near term. And again, I'm quantifying that phrase, prove itself, as getting up above 290 and staying up above it. So all in all, interesting movement today. We'll see how this one closes out the week on Friday. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.